मैंने रिसेंटली एक व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड देखा जिस पर लिखा था लंगर सेवा फ्री फूड फॉर कोविड फैमिलीज इन मुंबई। तो मैंने सोचा ये फ्री फूड करने वाले कौन लोग हैं, क्या करते हैं, थोड़ा चेक किया जाए। थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्टिगेट करने में पता चला कि एक जेन्युइन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है जो फूड सप्लाई करते हैं कोविड पेशेंट्स एज वेल एज उनकी फैमिलीज को। सो हमने सोचा क्यों ना हम उन्हें स्टेप अप लाइफ पे एक छोटे से इंटरेक्शन के लिए बुला लें, जहां पर हम लोग उनसे वो क्या करते हैं, किस तरीके से लोगों की लाइफ को अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो हम जानेंगे। सो आई हैव नाउ विथ मी खुशवीन फ्रॉम द लंगर सेवा ग्रुप। वेलकम खुशवीन।
हेलो।
हाय। सो सबसे पहला सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि ये लंगर सेवा एक्चुअली एग्जैक्टली है क्या, और ये सचमुच फ्री है क्या? बिकॉज ये मैं चीजें सुनता हूं, बट मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं बिकॉज यू आर integral member there, so please do let us know.
So yes, this Langar Seva is for COVID patients and they are family members who are quarantined, and it is completely for free. As it say, it is a seva, तो ये full free ही है. We are not charging anything for the delivery as well. So yes, people can trust that it is completely free.
करेक्ट। सो एक बहुत ही अच्छी बात शुरुआत में ही क्लियर हो गई है कि ये एक पूरी तरह निस्वार्थ सेवा का अरेंजमेंट है। सो आप लोग रीच आउट कर सकते हैं लंगर सेवा को। इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने सारे डिटेल दिए हुए हैं। आई वांट टू आस्क यू अनदर क्वेश्चन दैट मुंबई में किन एरियाज को आप लोग कवर करते हैं? बिकॉज मुंबई एक्चुअली काफी बड़ा है ना, राइट नाउ ट्रांसपोर्ट करना चीजें काफी चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है। सो गिव अस सम डिटेल्स दैट वेयर डू यू गाइस कवर?
So initially we started it from Daisar to Andheri. Then we gradually increased it from Mira Road to Andheri. But right now, due to increasing of orders and increasing of calls, we are falling short of delivery people. So now we have restricted to Borivali, Kandivali and Daisar. But yes, if we get help with delivery people, we will again increase the areas as well.
Right. So it's a good thing to hear that you have been growing from the time you have started. So I also wanted to just have an idea that what is a basic meal, like a lunch and dinner. What I read in the WhatsApp forward, that there is something like a lunch and something like a dinner. So what does it generally contain, just to give our viewers an idea?
Okay, so one box of Langar Seva contains 3 rotis, rice, a few salad, 1 sabji and 1 dal. Also, many people right now are helping us with biscuits, or some people are helping us. Recently, we got vitamin C tablets. So we had also included that in the parcels that we had sent.
Right. So that's also a noble thing that people are joining together to help this noble cause. Okay, I want to also know, I mean, how it has progressed. I mean, the day you started, where you just must have just made some flyers on WhatsApp, started circulating to people, and from day one till today, how has it been? I mean, you can just share some experience.
Okay, so the day one was actually we were thinking this from 3 to 4 days. But we were scared, should we do it or we shouldn't? And the main concern was how we will deliver people. Because we are a family of 6 and their grandparents, so it is a risk for them as well. So delivery was the main concern, but it is said now, if we think something good, people reach out to us. So the first call that we got was from Relief Riders. They are a foundation where, there are cyclists which provide meals to the COVID patients only.
Correct.
So they had reached out first to us, and hence the first thing was sorted. Okay, our delivery is sorted for now. Then there we started with 5 boxes in lunch at day 1. It got to 50 boxes for dinner that day. And right now we are serving 125 boxes lunch, 125 boxes dinner. And yes, I'm sure it is going to increase day by day.
Definitely. Kushmin, I just also want to put some things very clear to the audience, how they can reach you. I mean, you could just elaborate a little bit. How is the mechanism, how people reach you, when should they reach you for a lunch and dinner, so that it's a little plan for you guys and you can support them?
Yes. So basically, you can call us, or the people can also WhatsApp us. I think WhatsApp will be a good option, because mostly our phone, if you call, it will come busy only. So in case the phone is busy, you all can drop down a WhatsApp message and we will get back to you. Secondly, for the lunch, if you all want to book lunch, you all have to contact us before 9 o'clock in the morning. And if you all want to book the dinner, you'll have to contact us before 3 o'clock in the evening. I mean, afternoon.
Right. So that's very clear that a little bit of advanced information helps everybody to plan better, deliver right things at the right place. Also, I want to also understand that while you are working, on this initiative, I am pretty sure that you must have had really emotional human stories to tell about how it has. Food is something that people just when they eat, they don't have to pray; their organs pray. So that's what you say when somebody is hungry. So do tell us some of your experiences so that everybody really knows what you guys are doing.
Okay, so the stories that we heard were really very emotional. At times we got scared. At times we also cried because there were people who were calling us. There were old people who are crying on the phone. We are getting messages that, thank you so much. We ate food after 3 days. We ate food after 4 days. There are stories where, that is sad to hear that today also we have such people that there's an old lady. She is 77 or 74 years old. She called us and she gave her daughter's number. She's like, please try calling her. If she picks up your call, ask her to contact me back because she's not replying to my call, and if you could send us the food. So yes, still we have people like this where children are not answering their call as well. So it was a little disturbing for us.
Yeah, it's really a difficult situation at this point of time, and I think you guys are doing a commendable job. Not only to do it's sometimes really easy to just give the money, but to get involved and deliver and execute is on a daily basis is really a challenge. What I see out of it. So finally, what would be the message to the audience that whoever are watching right now? I would leave that 15-20 second period to you, that you guys are doing an excellent job, but I would like you to address the audience at this point of time. So what you feel about it, and yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so I would just request people, first of all, stay home. Please take care because the situation out is very bad. We are hearing stories. We know how people are just suffering for food as well. Oxygen, medicines, food, people are just suffering day by day. If they are COVID positive, then too they are suffering. Few people have lost their jobs. There are few people who say that, we are 24 and we lost our parents, so we don't have anybody right now. So we request you all to be home, be safe, and yes, please help as much as you can. You can just provide food to your watchmen. If in your building anybody is positive, you can just provide food to them. Start by providing food to one, and I think you can help a lot of people then. So that's the message I would like to give.
Absolutely. At such a young age, you have been really putting some really important points here on this video that, to help, you don't need a big group. You actually need the right intentions. Just look around, you will find somebody who needs a little bit of support and help at this time of COVID. So please, guys, everybody, I'll put all the details of the Langar Seva in the description box. Just check it out. If you feel that somebody is in real need of it, I'm really being very clear and honest, in real need of it, then you please do reach out to them over on WhatsApp with this number, and so that everybody can get an opportunity to help each other. So that would be today's video about the Langar Seva group, what they are really good, doing an excellent job. So if you like this video, I would just suggest you that share it with a lot of people, so that what happens is that the good work that people are doing reaches to so many people, and it will have a domino effect, and we want this effect to go viral rather than the viral which is already going on. So thank you so much, and bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thanks, Khushween, for joining us.
Thank you.